Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss configuration commands. So, the first command is wheels config check. This command validates your wheels application configuration settings across different environments. It performs comprehensive checks on all settings. Let's go the command box and run wheels config check. It will check all the basic configuration that are going to be used by your application and return statuses accordingly. Let's move to the next command. Wheels config diff. This command compares configuration settings and environment variables between two environments. It helps identify differences in both wheels settings files and environment-specific .env files, making it easier to understand configuration variations across development, testing, and production environments. Let's go to the command box and run command wheels config diff, and then we have to provide both environments that needs to be compared. Just like I am going to compare development and production. This command will list out all the similar and different keys available in the .env files. It shows both identical and different values in settings configurations. And then in environment variables. And then summary of the key values. Okay, let's clear the command box and move to the next command, wheels config dump. This command exports your wheels application configuration settings for inspection, backup, or migration purposes. It can display configurations in multiple formats. In the command box, let's write wheels config dump. So, we can see, this command lists down all the configuration for the default development environment, but if we set different environment in .env file, then it will return accordingly. We can see environment variables, database settings, security settings, and all other custom settings, which exists in .env files and settings files. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, hit the like button, have any questions or any queries, write in comments and subscribe our channel and hit the bell button for more videos.